If you're a creative entrepreneur running Facebook ads and you're not getting the results you expected, this video could save you thousands of dollars. I'm about to reveal the 3 biggest mistakes that creative entrepreneurs make when they get caught up in the media buyer drama on YouTube. Mistakes that are literally leaving money on the table. Here's the thing. Every day, creative entrepreneurs are making decisions about their ad campaigns based on conflicting advice from so-called Facebook ad experts on YouTube. One guru swears by ABO, another preaches CBO is king, and meanwhile, you're left confused, constantly switching strategies and watching your ad spend disappear with little to show for it. The truth is, while these media buyers are busy arguing about who's right, they're missing the bigger picture, and so are you. Mistake number 1, following guru advice without proper research. The first massive mistake is taking advice from YouTube experts without doing your own research. Look, I get it. These media buyers show flashy dashboards, they talk with confidence, and they make it seem like they have cracked some secret code. But here's what they don't tell you. What works for their specific niche, their specific audience, and their specific creative approach might be completely wrong for your business. You see one expert saying, ABO is dead, CBO is the only way to scale, while another expert is showing results claiming CBO will kill your campaigns, stick with ABO. Meanwhile, you're sitting there switching back and forth between campaign structures every week, never giving anything enough time to actually work. The problem isn't that these experts are necessarily wrong, it's that you're treating their specific solutions as universal truths without testing them against your own business reality. Mistake number 2, not vetting the so-called experts. The second mistake is not properly vetting these Facebook ad gurus before implementing their strategies. Here's a question for you. When was the last time you actually verified the results these experts are showing you? I mean, really verified them. Not just looked at a screenshot of a dashboard that could be from any time period or any account. Too many creative entrepreneurs see a YouTube thumbnail with big numbers and immediately assume this person knows what they're talking about. But the reality is, anyone can create a compelling case study video. The real question is, are they consistently delivering results across different industries, different budgets, and different business models? Some of these experts have found success with one specific approach, in one specific niche, maybe even years ago, and they're still teaching that same strategy as if it's the gospel truth. Meanwhile, the platform has evolved, algorithms have changed, and what worked in 2022 might be completely outdated in 2025. The truth is, many of these media buyers develop tunnel vision around their own success and become closed-minded to other approaches, especially when they view other experts as competition rather than colleagues in the same field. Mistake number 3, ignoring Facebook's own best practices. The third and biggest mistake is not going directly to the source, Facebook itself. This might sound obvious, but you'd be shocked at how many creative entrepreneurs never actually check Facebook's official best practices and recommendations. They'd rather listen to a YouTuber's interpretation of what works instead of getting information straight from the platform that has more data than any individual media buyer could ever access. Think about it. Facebook and Google have data from millions of advertisers across every industry, every budget level, every geographic location. They see what's working and what's not on a scale that no individual expert can match. Yet somehow, media buyers convince themselves, and you, that they're smarter than the algorithm and the platform's own recommendations. Here's the reality. Facebook's algorithm is designed to help you succeed. When you succeed, they make more money. They're not trying to sabotage your campaigns. Their official documentation, their best practices, their recommended approaches, these aren't suggestions. They're insights based on massive amounts of real data. Now, before you think I'm completely dismissing these media buyers, let me be clear. Many of them are genuinely talented and are getting real results. The ones showing live dashboards and real-time results aren't lying about their success. The issue isn't that they're wrong, it's that they each have their own unique strengths, their own unique angles, and their own unique way of approaching problems. What makes them successful in their specific context might not be what makes you successful in yours. The problem comes when they present their approach as the only right way, or when they talk down about other methods without acknowledging that different strategies work for different businesses. So what's the solution? It's actually simpler than you might think. First, start with Facebook's official best practices as your foundation. This gives you a baseline that's backed by the most comprehensive data available. Second, test strategies from different experts systematically. Don't just implement someone's entire system overnight. Take elements that make sense for your business and test them properly with adequate time and budget. Third, focus on media buyers who show transparency, who acknowledge that different approaches work for different businesses, and who base their recommendations on current platform updates rather than outdated case studies. Remember, the goal isn't to find the perfect guru to follow blindly. The goal is to become a strategic thinker who can evaluate different approaches and apply what works for your specific situation. Stop letting the expert drama distract you from building a solid, profitable ad strategy for your creative business. Your campaigns and your bank account will thank you for it. If this video helped you see through the noise, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments which of these mistakes you've been making. And if you want more practical, no-nonsense advice for creative entrepreneurs, make sure to subscribe.